This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium for beginners. First, let's get acquainted with your instrument. Identify the bellows, which pump air, the keys that produce sound, and the stops that control airflow. Sit comfortably with a straight back, ensuring easy access to the keys and bellows. Practice pumping the bellows gently and evenly to maintain a steady airflow, which is crucial for consistent sound production. Now, let's make some sound. Gently press one key while simultaneously pumping the bellows. Aim for a clear, sustained note without any wavering. Practice coordinating your finger movements with the bellows, ensuring a smooth and continuous sound. Try playing a few consecutive notes, focusing on evenness and clarity. This foundational exercise builds essential muscle memory and control for both hands. Next, we'll explore your first musical patterns. Begin with the C major scale, playing all 8 white keys from C to C. This scale is fundamental for understanding pitch relationships. Then, try playing 2-note intervals, like C and G, and simple 3-note chords, such as C, E, G. Experiment with combining these notes to create very basic, short melodies. This builds your musical vocabulary. Consistent practice is key to your progress. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice every day. Initially, concentrate on playing accurately and maintaining a steady rhythm, rather than trying to play fast. As you gain confidence, gradually introduce new scales, more complex chords, and simple songs. Remember, patience and persistence will help you master the harmonium beautifully over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.